Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you about 5 secrets to making perfect three-point turns. In this video, I'll be going over 5 simple secrets that will allow you to easily make incredible, astonishingly perfect three-point turns. You'll be able to make better three-point turns than you've ever made before, which will help you for the driving test, and it'll also help you in general with driving, especially if you already have your license. Let's get right into the video. Secret number 1 is turn the wheel all the way. Now, when you're making a three-point turn, you got to start by pulling over. But then for each of the additional maneuvers, you want to turn the steering wheel all the way in either direction. So all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, then all the way to the left again. And the reason that you do this is because if you've turned it too much by turning it all the way, you can always release the steering wheel a bit earlier to loosen up the steering. But let's say you don't turn it all the way and you're like, wait a second, I need some more steering. And then you crank it all the way, but it's too late. You now need to turn it into like a 5-point turn instead of a 3-point turn. So if you don't want to do a 5-point turn, turn the wheel all the way. Okay. Secret number 2, make use of the entire space. So obviously, if you have a roadway that you're using to make a 3-point turn, when you pull over, you want to get fairly close to the curb. And then for each additional part of the maneuver for the 3-point turn, you want to use up as much of the roadway as possible. Just like I said before, because if you used up too much roadway and you're like, oh, this is an easy turn, that's totally fine, right? But if you didn't use up enough roadway, it might end up turning into a 5-point turn because you just don't have the space to get the proper turning radius. I'm trying to make sense of that, but basically more space is better. It's as simple as that. Secret number 3, and this goes after secret number 2, and secret number 3 is, but don't hit the curb. So make use of the entire space, that's number 2, but number 3 is, but don't hit the curb. There's gonna likely be curbs or ditches on the road. Don't hit the curb. Don't send your car into a ditch. That's definitely going to make you probably fail the driving test or just ruin your car, or create a dangerous situation. So you need to learn how to estimate the distance in front of your car and behind your car. So learn how to estimate the distance properly, and you will be very unlikely to hit the curb, less likely to hit the curb. Secret number 4 is signal with every step of the 3-point turn. When you pull over, you got to signal right to pull over to the right. Then you signal left when you proceed forward, signal right when you reverse, signal left when you proceed forward again. Basically, you're going to signal in the direction that you're turning the wheel. It's literally as simple as that. And I said those instructions assuming that you're driving on the right side of the road, okay? So signal with every single step. And then last but not least is secret number 5, which is look all around, okay? Now, a lot of people, when they are doing the 3-point turn and they're about to start turning, they just do something like that and they start it. And when they're reversing, they're like, oh, okay, let's just look like this. No, that's not enough looking. You need to look all around, literally look everywhere that you can possibly look, especially look in both directions of the road, all down one direction and all down the other direction, because you want to make sure that you're not going to be doing a 3-point turn and then a car is going to be coming flying down the street and you're going to have to cause them to slam on their brakes, or even worse, you might get into an accident or get T-boned. And that's it. Those are the 5 secrets to making perfect 3-point turns. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.